Women never let go of guys with these qualities. Can I tell you what makes a guy hard to let go of? It's not the obvious stuff. It's the quiet qualities you feel before you can explain them. I'm going to give you 8. And the last one is the one you usually dismiss as nothing, right before you realize it was the whole thing. 8. He stays grounded when she creates space. You know that moment when her texting slows down and you feel that spike in your chest? Most men react right there. The guy who's hard to let go of doesn't. He doesn't double text. He doesn't suddenly get emotional. He just stays steady. It's not indifference. It's stability. And when we create a little distance and you don't wobble, it tells us the connection isn't fragile. 7. He does not perform for the room. When you're around her friends or other men, you don't suddenly get louder or sharper. You don't try to win. You stay the same guy she met. That consistency does something to us. It says you're not adjusting your value based on who's watching. That's not ego. That's security. 6. He lowers his tone instead of raising it. When a conversation gets tense and she pushes a little, you don't match the heat. You slow down. You soften your voice. And look, that sounds small. It isn't. When you regulate yourself, it regulates us. Calm isn't weakness. It's leadership. If you're noticing how much calm changes the dynamic, comment calm below. It tells me you're not just hearing this, you're getting it. 5. He leaves right after the best part. You've had a great date. The energy's high. She's laughing more than usual. And instead of stretching it until it fades, you wrap it there. You leave her in that peak feeling. That's not playing games. That's emotional timing. We replay the last note, make it a strong one. 4. He keeps his structure when she tries to merge lives fast. There's a point where we start saying we should just stay over more or you could just come with me to this thing. It feels good. But the man who's hard to let go of doesn't dissolve his routines overnight. He keeps his gym time, his work focus, his friends. Small thing, big signal. It tells us you have a life we're stepping into, not consuming it. 3. He does not flinch at subtle compliance tests. Sometimes we'll change a plan slightly, or tease you to see if you overdefend. You've felt that. The guy who stays relaxed, who doesn't jump to justify himself, stands out. I'll say something most women won't. When you don't bend on every tiny nudge, it makes us respect you more. Every time you hold your ground calmly, the threshold shifts. There's a difference between understanding this intellectually and handling it smoothly. That's the part I talk through with members in the pinned comment. 2. He sets plans clearly and then trusts her response. You say when and where. Then you stop negotiating. You don't keep checking if she's still coming. You don't send reminders wrapped in anxiety. That confidence feels solid. It's not control. It's clarity. And clarity is calming. 1. He is comfortable letting silence stretch. This one is everything. When there's a pause in conversation and you don't scramble to fill it, something shifts. You hold eye contact. Maybe you smile slightly. Then you let it sit. Silence isn't awkward. It's space. And space lets tension build instead of collapse. When you can sit in that without flinching, we feel it. That's the quality that makes letting you go feel like losing something rare. For more advice, subscribe.